Hi, welcome to Lincoln to Local. I'm Hannah Davis here with Steve Thompson to bring you an update about Farm Bureau's work at the state capitol. Steve, we just finished up the first week of the legislative session and it's been quite an eventful one. So can you give us an update on what's going on over there?
Yes, Hannah, this is a very exciting time of the year for the Farm Bureau Public Policy Division. We kicked off the first week of the second legislative session with the Governor's State of the State address on Monday, where he focused heavily on health care and government reform and improvements in transparency for the state government. We were very proud that he touched on rural roads and rural health care access, two of our big priority issues. And then the session kicked off in high gear. Had a little slowdown on Wednesday with the snowstorm, but everybody else stayed home. But very proud of our staff. We worked hard throughout the day and tried to catch up with all the 4,500 bills filed out there.
So we've seen some movement on some priority issues, some key issues for Farm Bureau this year. Can you explain what's going on there?
Yeah, we had a number of bills left over from last year that weren't ever brought to the full floor for consideration that we were watching very closely, that have emerged this year on the fast track to skip the committee process and really go right back to the floor. Very important topics like new property taxes in municipal areas and things involving a complicated new process to limit groundwater rights. So we're having to visit with legislators every day to make sure they understand the policy positions that our members at Farm Bureau have adopted on these very critical issues.
So Steve, as we continue throughout the legislative process, how can Farm Bureau members get involved and make sure their voice is heard over at the state capitol?
Well, we're very excited about our membership being involved at the state capitol, and our field reps are working hard to put together groups in each county to come visit the capitol. I know that you guys in the communication division have an action alert system that folks can sign up for. We'd encourage everybody to check out our website as well as our social media accounts, and we'll be continually updating the issues that are going on and how they can engage with us, and we would welcome them to reach out to us in any of those manners.
Great. Thanks, Steve. And thanks for joining us for Lincoln to Local.